Let's discuss one more interview questions. So most commonly asked interview question from core Java after Java 8 is difference between interface and abstract class. So you need to answer this question with respect to JDK 8 or Java 8. So answer is very simple. Let me show you the difference. So let's create one interface. Let's call this as mouse. And let me also create one abstract class. Let's call this as abstract mouse. So the first difference is very simple. With respect to abstract class, we can have constructor, be it default constructor or parameterized constructor. We can write constructor in the abstract class. This is absolutely possible. If I try to do same thing in the interface, it is not permitted. You can notice there is a compile time error saying interface cannot have constructors. This is the first difference an interface is expecting. And the second difference would be, so we can have instance variables inside abstract class. For example, I'll create one instance variable. Let's call this as mouse name. And I can also have one more instance variable, maybe mouse price, like this. These are instance variables. Some people also call it as non-static variables. So these variables I can have in the abstract class. If required, I can also initialize these instance variable with the help of parameterized constructor this way. This is possible. But if I try to do same thing in the interface, it is not possible. I cannot have instance variables in the interface. It is not permitted. So every variable that is declared in the interface, it must be public, static, final, nothing but constant. So we cannot have instance variables. We cannot have constructor. These are two differences. If you want to know more differences, probably you can read online. The best documentation is Oracle documentation. You can go to this Oracle documentation and read more about it.